Hi guys, I'm excited to share with you two of my all-time favorite budget-friendly recipes. Both of these are not only delicious but also super easy to make. So the first one is rice, cabbage and eggs combo. Now we have the rice and the eggs combo, which is a true winner when it comes to simplicity and taste. This combination of fluffy rice, crunchy cabbage and protein-rich eggs create a symphony of flavor that will leave you craving for more. Plus, it's a great way to use up any leftover rice you might have. Now, the second one is rice and spinach combo. This is not only nutritious but also incredibly satisfying when spinach pairs perfectly with a fluffy rice, creating a wholesome meal that will keep you full for hours. This is a great option for a quick and also budget dinner. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these two recipes would you love to see me make in the next video? Drop a comment and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more budget-friendly recipes. Happy cooking!